Welcome to another episode of learning. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please join as a member in my channel and support me and my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We continue the discussion of the solutions of the problems that have appeared in the TG set 2024 Telangana set exam held in 2024. In this video, we discuss the solutions of two problems from the section Linear Algebra which are placed at serial number 69 and 70 in this paper. And these two problems are, we named it as two easy problems, right? One is on linear operator and the other is on quadratic forms. These two questions are suitable, most suitable for all these examinations. Right. The first question is question number 69. It's on inverse linear operator. The given question is, if the linear operator T from R cube to R cube is defined as T of the triad x comma y comma z is equal to the triad x minus 3y minus 2z comma y minus 4z comma z, then T inverse of 1, 3, 2 is equal to. We are given four options. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have the linear operator T from R cube to itself. It is defined by T of the triad x comma y comma z is the triad x minus 3y minus 2z comma y minus 4z comma z. Now, required to find T inverse of 1, 3, 2. Let T inverse of 1, 3, 2 be the triad x comma y comma z. Operating T on both sides, we will get T of x comma y comma z is equal to 1, 3, 2. T of T inverse is identity operator. Now, T of x, y, z is 1, 3, 2 means T of x, y, z definition we use the triad x minus 3y minus 2z, comma, y minus 4z, comma, z is equal to the triad 1, comma, 3, comma, 2. Right. This implies equating the corresponding entries. X minus 3y minus 2z is equal to 1. The second component, y minus 4z is equal to 3. The third component, z is equal to 2. It's all already in the echelon form, and from bottom to top you can simplify for the values of z, y, x. Z is equal to 2. Go to the above. Y minus 4z is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4z plus 3. Substitute z is equal to 2. You will get 11. Now go up. That is x is equal to 3y plus 2z plus 1. Substitute. Z is equal to 2. Y is equal to 11. Simplify. You will get x is equal to 38. So that's T inverse of 1, 3, 2 is equal to x comma y comma z, which we have solved here, is the triad 38 comma 11 comma 2. This triad appears against option 2. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 2. That is the detailed discussion of this simple, straightforward question. I have been telling you that don't expect such questions always, such easy questions always. Once in a while they come. Enjoy it, but not always. Right. We move to the second question. It is a question number 70. It's related to the rank of the quadratic form. So the rank of the quadratic form, 6x1 square plus 17x2 square plus 3x3 square minus 20x1 x2 minus 14x2 x3 plus 8 times x3 x1 is, we are given 4 options. Right. We are given a quadratic form in 3 variables x1, x2, x3, and required to find the rank of this quadratic form. Right. The given quadratic form is Q is equal to the given quadratic form we have written here. Right. Now, this we write it in a standard form as capital X transpose capital A into X, where capital A is called the matrix corresponding to the quadratic form Q, where A is called the matrix of the quadratic form. We write it as 6x1 square, 6, 17, 3 along the diagonal, and minus 20 x1 x2, make half of it, 20 is 10, minus 10 in 1 2 position, and minus 10 is in 2 1 position. Likewise, so 8x3 x1 we have written 4 4, minus 14x2 x3 we have written minus 7 minus 7, and the quadratic form, the matrix of the quadratic form, always we write it in a real, in a symmetric form. It's a real symmetric form, and capital X is the column vector x1 x2 x3. Right. So how do we write the rank of the quadratic form? The rank of the quadratic form is equal to the rank of the matrix A, that is the matrix of the quadratic form. So take the matrix, right? It is here. Call it as, this is A. Now we want to reduce it to a row reduced echelon form. So what first I will do is this elementary row operation. R3 is R3 plus R2 plus R1. To the elements of the third row, add the corresponding elements of second row and first row. And thereby the third row will become 0. Right. Now we want to make it a 2 1 position, that is in this position minus 10. We want to make it 0. For that we make R2 is 6 times R2 plus 10 times R1. Right. Then this will become 0. Now simplify, you will get after this one. So 0, second row is 12 minus 2, 0, 0, 0. Right. This is in a row reduced echelon form. Don't worry about whether in this position 1 is there, in this position 1 is there. Don't worry. This is in a row reduced echelon form. And its rank is obviously the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form, they are 2. Therefore, the rank of A is the number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form, that is 2. The rank of A is same as the rank of the quadratic form, that is equal to 2. So where is 2? So it is appearing against option 3. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 3. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of a very simple and straightforward question. So once in a while such questions do occur, but prepare for good questions, big questions, and that will be helpful. Right. I am sure that you have understood the solutions of these two problems. Thank you for watching this video now. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please join as a member in my channel and support me and my channel. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Yes, I am sure we are all going to meet you once again in another episode of learning. Enjoy learning mathematics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.